Hey guys, as you come to know after seeing the thumbnail that I am going to unbox this Philips SC3505/15 trimmer. I purchased it from Flipkart and today is delivered. So I am going to unbox this in this video. So this video will contain the unboxing of this trimmer and how to handle this trimmer, because this trimmer is a cord trimmer. It does not have any charge or charging slot or something like battery. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use this trimmer, and can you cut your hair with this trimmer. This question will be answered in this video. So watch the video till end and without any delay, I am Navid and you are watching TechMan channel. Let's get started. So guys, without any delay, let's get started with this video. And I booked it from Flipkart. The rate of price of this trimmer will be available in description. So I will open it or unbox it. As I said, this trimmer is unique specification, because in this there is no concept, there is no battery, and there is no charging concept. Okay. Okay, so the outer box we will keep it aside, and how it looks, you can see packaging is quite good, because there is less chances of damage because of this upper box. And after opening it, so I will clear it, and here you can see about Philips Series 300 3000 hair clipper. So in this it is showing that it is hair clipper, but you can trim your beard and mustache also. So trim and flow, here some specification is there. So you can see that zero maintenance, self sharpening blades, means it sharp by itself, means you are not going to sharp it by any way. So quick release washable blade, so you can wash blades and after usage, and no oiling needed. So in this blades oiling is not needed, and blades will automatically sharpen. So I will open it. So it is open now, and inside the box there is a card of unlock your 1 year extra warranty. So after doing these steps, after sign upping by QR code, you will get 1 year extra warranty from Philips. So I will keep it aside, and here is some documentations and user guide also. So I will keep it aside, and inside the box these stuffs will be available to you. First is the cord of this charging. I will say that I have to say that this cord is quite long, and you will not face any problem while trimming. So this cord is from Philips, you can see that. Keep it aside, and here is the clipper. So you can see the model of this clipper, it's unique, and after attaching your trimmer to this clipper, you can you can cut your hair as well as your mustache and beard. So it is an all-rounder trimmer. So here is some maintenance stuff, and here is the trimmer itself. So packaging, I would say that packaging is quite good by the Flipkart, also by the Philips. So here is the trimmer, how it looks. I ordered blue color, so it fits in hand quite perfectly, and by pressing this you can take out your blades here, you can see, and you can wash these blades as well as and you not need to apply any oil or sharpen this blade by your own yourself, because this blade is stainless steel, made with a stainless steel, and this blade will automatically sharpen. Okay, so here how it looks. It gives you handy feel on your hand, and I like that. So here is a power button, so it will not on, because here guys you can see that this trimmer has 13 different adjustable modes, and you can adjust it. Okay, so here that this trimmer has 13 different adjustable modes, and you can adjust it. Okay, so here there is a slot for it, and by this 13 different modes, just notice how it works. So it is going up and again up. So how it works, I would say that this button is something like rough, so you need to press it. There is a button here, you need to press it and push it upwards, so it will adjust according that, and you need some strength to do that, because it's roughness is there in this adjustable modes. So your beard by adjusting a zero level, and by for your hair you can push it upwards, and according to that you can trim your hair. So I like that, and I will on this trimmer and show you how it works. For making it working, I only just need to plug it on with its cord. So I will plug it with its cord and the trimmer will be on. So I will do that. You can see that how long this wire will become, and you can use this trimmer easily in your bathroom while in your bathroom. So I will plug this. It is attached now, and I just okay. You can if this trimmer is I can in your bathroom. So I will plug this. It is attached now, and I just okay. You can if this trimmer is I can give one this review of the 35 SC3505 trimmer review. Comment in the comment section, and I will make a video on this. So on Flipkart, some reviews are there of this trimmer. They told that they commented that this trimmer, this blade is sharpened. So build quality, I would say that is quite good, and after using this trimmer I will give you the full review. So wait for it, and if you like this video, please share this video, and like this video, then comment in the comment section if you have any queries about this trimmer. And if you purchase this trimmer, I would say that you have to register, because of on free 1 year warranty will be there, will be extended in your 1 year warranty, of course, from given from the Flip. So 1 + 1 2 years warranty you will get. So don't forget to here is the card of don't forget to don't sign up for the trimmer warranty. And if you like this video, please comment in the comment section, like this video and share this video and subscribe to my channel. And sorry for the frequency of my video is quite and big low, so sorry for that. And that's it for this video. I will meet in next video.